What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I'm here today with a Five Below haul, and I'm also going to include some 3 for 99-cent items that I got, some Target items that I got at Goodwill that I have to share with you guys. I just couldn't believe they were so awesome. And only 33 cents. But okay, you guys, let's go ahead and hop right into this haul. The first thing I got was this Cool Gear water container or drink container. I've been eyeing it for a while now, and as you guys can tell, it's super big. I took the straw out, but it's really cute. It holds a lot. This was $4. I think it's just so cute because it's a jumbo ice cream cone. I thought it was super adorable. Birdie got this. This is an orb ball of bubblies. And you guys, the first time we saw these, we didn't get them, and then we're just now seeing them again after like 6 weeks of not seeing them. So this is what it looks like, and it has the Orbeez inside. One of the employees warned me not to squeeze it too hard, and as you guys can tell, the Orbeez are already starting to tear up a little bit, but it's pretty satisfying to squeeze and to wiggle around. The outer part feels really super sticky. Birdie has been playing with this a little bit. They have a few different colors. I really love these, you guys. They also have this sort of like animals, the fish, different little ones like this. This was actually $5. And like I said, they do have a variety of different ones to choose from. $5, and they were up by the registers. I found another one, you guys. This one says New York on it. Super cute, just $5. They also have the cropped sweatshirts, and again, these are all really lightweight. This one says Fierce. I love that we can come in here and get clothes for just $5. We have Weekend. Okay, then we have this burgundy one. And they're getting kind of tangled up in each other. This burgundy one says Varsity. What else do we have? We also have a pink one. The pink one says Girl Gang. Can you guys see that? Girl Gang. This little No Thanks crossbody, as well as these shell crossbodies that have been here for summertime. I really like, I think my favorites so far are these slides. I really like those. What else? And I really like the Girl Boss sweatshirt. And I love this hollow, like, diamond crossbody. I think that is so cute. Check out this set by Smoke and Mirror. It's called Twinkle Star Shower Tablets, and it's a 7-piece shower tablet collection, just $5. That will make such a cute gift. The next thing I picked out for me was this pair of slides. Now, I wear an 8.5. This is a size extra large, 10-11, and these fit me really well. I have to say that the majority of Five Below's slides run very small, so make sure you try them on first. But I thought these were really cute. This is like, you know, a vegan leather, a faux leather with the thick gold chains here. I thought these were super cute. I really liked them. Like I said, they do run extremely small, so, you know, if you're going to get some slides, definitely be willing to try them on. And then last but not least, like I said, you guys, this is a really small haul. They have these in this color. I think they have a black, and they also have a white, and they're just like some little sneakers. These are a size 8-9. I think Birdie wears like a 7.5. So again, we got them a little bit bigger because I think all their shoes tend to run a little bit small, but she thought these were really cute. She really liked these. So that's it, you guys, for my Five Below haul. I'm going to go ahead and grab my bag for some of my other items that I want to share with you guys. Like I said, they are Target items and Target Dollar Spot items that I got at Goodwill for 33 cents each. Here's the first item I picked out, you guys. It's the cute lemon chalkboard easel, and When these were first in Target's Dollar Spot, I mostly got the pink lemonade items. but they had some of the lemonade signs that were really cute. Again, these were normally $3. I thought this was super cute, especially for 33 cents. Besides the summer themed items like the lemon themed items and the pink lemonade items, they also have tons of Pride items in their 3 for 99 cent bins. I found some of these. I was really happy about these. The Hello Summer glass containers. These were normally $3 each. They also had a two-toned kind of bright green and white ombre bottle with a strawberry on it, but to be honest, I was kind of feeling the timelessness of the clear bottle a little bit more. So I got 3 of these. That's all I found. If they had more, I probably would have gotten one for each member of the family. I picked up 2 of these lunch bags, and again, if there were more, I might have gotten one more, but these feel so nice. The quality is so nice. The pretty green, the pink, it's cute. It says yay. It has the little Velcro, the little fold down Velcro. And this is what the back looks like. These were originally $3. They also had the cute hot dog banners there, and they had the see-through plastic lemon banners and watermelon banners. I was very, very tempted to get some of the banners because you guys know those normally sell for $3 to $5 as well. Mostly $3. I was very tempted to get the beautiful lemon banner. So tempted, but I have a lot of birthday banners in my stash, so I bypassed that. But I wanted to show you guys the inside of the bag because this is really, really well constructed. As you guys can see, it's an insulated bag, and it kind of has the little silver, like, bubble wrap sort of foil inside. I mean, this just feels like such a nice bag. I think these are really long lasting because my aunt sent me a Hello Kitty non-insulated lunch bag like when Birdy was a baby or 1 year old, and I'm still using that from time to time. And that also came from Target's Dollar Spot. And these ones are like super, super thick and well constructed. So you guys definitely give your Goodwills a call. See if they have the 3 for 99 cent bins, or if they have Target and Target Dollar Spot items drastically reduced, because there's another store in my area that also sells Target Dollar Spot items, but they don't sell them 3 for 99 cents. Well, they sell some of them 3 for 99 cents, but just the dollar items. But this other Goodwill I go to, they sell 3, 5, 7, and $1 items for just 33 cents in the bin. So, you guys, it's a total steal. But alright, you guys, that's it for me and my very small Five Below haul and my Target Dollar Spot haul via Goodwill. I love sharing these deals with you guys because I feel like it's like a really, you know, well-kept secret, and I just love passing on the deals. You guys, I just pulled this out of one of my cubbies. They also had these. I didn't get another one though. I paid $1 for this at Target's Dollar Spot earlier in the summer, and they also have their full line of pink lemonade items in the 3 for 99 cent bin. So I'm really happy about that. Again, I was very tempted to get another one, but I figured I was good with my one. Well, hey guys, that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, share it with a friend that might like it, and hit that little bell if you guys haven't hit the bell yet. That way you can get notifications of all my daily videos, and also you will be in on my daily community posts where I say hi to you guys, I share pictures, I set up polls, I let you know when I'm going to go live, stuff like that. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hopping over to my channel and spending some of your day with me. Again, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you guys haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.